Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss some copy paste functions in MS Excel application. So in general, we use Ctrl plus C to copy, Ctrl plus V to paste, and Ctrl plus X to cut and paste. Here I am typing hello with yellow color. By pressing Ctrl plus C, copy. If I press Ctrl plus V here, a duplicate will be created. Hello, copy, paste, a duplicate has been created. But here I am typing hi and applying yellow color, and now I am going to press Ctrl plus X, cut, and here I press same Ctrl plus V, but this time the original will be moved from one location to another location. Ctrl plus C, copy and paste will create a duplicates, and Ctrl plus X, cut paste will move the original, right? Fine. We'll also discuss some more copy paste functions. So first I'll show the general copy paste. Select particular area which you want to copy and press Ctrl plus C or right click and go to copy. Once the area was copied, select the destination where you want to paste and press Ctrl plus V or right click and go to first option, paste. Again I show, after copying the area, to paste as it is, use Ctrl plus V, or you also can Ctrl Z to undo. You also can do right click and go to under paste option, use the first one to copy paste as it is. The normal copy paste has been completed. Now what I am expecting is, I wanted to copy this area and here I want only the values but not the format. What is format? Can you see the background blue color? Can you see the background green color and rupee sign and the dollar sign? But here I just want only the values without that format. So select area, Ctrl C, copy, and select destination. After selecting destination, if you want only values, right click here and go to the second option, paste only values. Now I got only values. This is one method. Ctrl Z, undo. There is another method also. Select area, copy, select destination, and you also can go to home tab, paste handle. Here also you can use the first option, paste values, where only values created without format. There may be some other requirements where you wanted to copy some area and you wanted to paste only the table format, but you don't want values. You want that kind of table for other works, but you don't want the values inside. In such cases, after selecting destination, go to paste and use in the bottom, there is a painting tool is available where you can see other paste options. It is showing only a brush sign. Click here, so it will repeat only the format but not the values. I'll also make it a little zoom out. Yeah, you can see only the table created but not the data. Now here I wanted to copy this data and I wanted to paste it here, but as a picture, because here this data can be modified by writing any other data, but I wanted to copy and paste just like a picture. You will get picture format options but not editing options in this method. So I will select the area, copy, and here you can select the destination and go to paste handle in the home tab, and you can see the last but the second one, paste as a picture. So now a picture has been created from the source data. You can see now you can move this picture, and if you double click on this picture, you will also see the picture tools just like that we already discussed in MS Word application, right? It's fine. But there is one more option is available. If I make any changes here, let's say now I wanted to change 101 into 201. I have made some changes, but the picture is not linked, so it is not being updated. What I want here is I wanted to copy and paste the information as a picture, but as a linked picture. In such cases, select the data, copy, select destination, and go to paste and select the last option, linked picture. Now it is showing 201, here also 201. If I make it, let's take an example, 301. Here if I make it to 301, 301, the same will be updated here because it is a linked picture. What if I don't want this as a picture but as a data, but only linked values? Here we already seen paste only values, but there is no link created, but I want to paste the values just like a linked values. In such cases, select the data, copy, select destination, and go to paste. Here you will see the option only paste as a link. So here only the link will be created to the source data. If I make changes 444 here the value will be updated to 444. So the first one we did copy paste only values without link. Here copy paste only values with link. So these many options are available. Now we delve deeper into the concepts of copy paste functions, and if you scroll down you will see here paste with formula. In some cases you may face these scenarios where you have data 1 and you wanted to place in data 2 with multiplication of data 2. So 10 I wanted to paste here by multiplying data 2. Okay, so select data 1, copy, select data 2 as destination, but don't paste directly. I want paste with a multiplication. You can do anything, subtraction, division, like that also. Go to paste, go to paste special. Here you will see with an operation. What operation you want now? None, add, subtract, multiply, divide. I go with a multiply and OK. Before clicking on OK, you can see 10 data 1, 10 data 2, 3. So 10 multiplied by 3, the answer will be 30. I will be getting if I once click on the button OK. So that how does it works. Next, we have a tool called as transpose. Transpose means converting a vertical data into horizontal, horizontal data into vertical. Let's take an example. Your boss ordered you to prepare a data in horizontal order, but you prepared a data in vertical order. So recreating entire table may be a very big challenge to you. In such cases, simply select vertical data where you can see the titles available in the vertical order, copy, select the new destination and go to paste, paste special, and here select the option transpose. The vertical data is now converted into horizontal. If the data already available in horizontal, if you wanted to convert into vertical, copy, select new destination, paste, special, again transpose, OK. So the vertical data converted into horizontal, again from horizontal we converted into vertical. In this way you can use. And one more, the last one we'll discuss, copy and paste to multiple sheets. Let's take an example. I have the data in sheet 1. I wanted to repeat in sheet 4, in sheet 6, and sheet 7, not in all the sheets but only in some sheets. In such cases, select the data, copy, and I want in sheet 4, 6 and 7. I go to sheet 4 first, select a destination, and before pasting, press Ctrl and hold on it. Click on sheet 6, click on sheet 7. Now 4, 6, 7 is selected and Ctrl V to paste. Now these data will not be available in sheet 5 but available in sheet 4, 6 and 7. Right? So using Ctrl, you can select any desired cells manually. But in some cases, let's say I wanted to repeat these data from sheet number 2 to sheet number 6 continuously. In such cases, go to sheet 2, select a destination and press shift and directly click on the last sheet you want. So in between sheet 2 and sheet 6, all sheets will be selected automatically. You no need to select any of them manually and then paste it directly. So the data will be available in sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5 and sheet 6. And in sheet 7, the old data available in the top but not in the bottom. So from sheet 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can see the data available in the bottom. So these are all the basics of copy paste functions, right? Thank you.